renewed to be a bride. She cleansed herself in the bridal chamber. She filled it with perfume and sat there waiting for her true groom. She no longer goes about the marketplace, copulating with whomever she desires, but she waits for him, saying, "When will he come?" And she feared him, not knowing what he looked like. She no longer remembers that she fell from her father's house long ago. She dreamed of him by the father's will, like a woman in love with a man. The marriage. Then, by the will of the father, the bridegroom came down to her in the bridal chamber which had been prepared, and he had decorated the chamber. This marriage is not like carnal marriage, in which those who make love with each other become satiated in their lovemaking, and as if it were a burden, they leave behind the annoyance of physical desire. They turn their faces from each other. In this marriage, once they join, they become a single life. As the prophet said about the first man and woman, they will become a single flesh. They were originally joined to each other when they were with their father, before the woman led the man astray, who is her brother. This marriage brings them together again, and the soul joins her true love and real master, as the scriptures tell us, the woman's master is her husband. Then gradually she recognized him and was happy again, weeping before him as she remembered the disgrace of her former widowhood. She adorned herself abundantly so he might be pleased to stay with her. And the prophet said in the Psalms, "Hear, my daughter, and see me, and bend your ear, and forget your people and your father's house. For the king has desired your beauty, and he is your Lord. He has turned her face from her people and the gang of her adulterers with whom she had mingled, to devote herself now to her king, her real Lord, and to forget the house of the earthly father with whom things were bad for her, and remembers her father in heaven." So Abraham was told, "Leave your country and kin and your father's house." Regeneration of the soul. When the soul had adorned herself again in her beauty, she enjoyed her beloved. He also loved her. And when they made love, she got from him the seed which is the life-giving spirit. By him she has good children and brings them up. Such is the great and perfect marvel of her. This marriage is made perfect by the will of the Father. Now, it is right that the soul be regenerated, and be as she formerly was. The soul stirred. Her divine nature and her rejuvenation came from her Father, so she might return to where she was before. This is the resurrection from the dead. This is ransom from captivity. This is the ascent to heaven. This is the ascent to the Father. As the prophet said, "Praise the Lord, O my soul, and all within me, praise his holy name. O my soul, praise God, who forgave all your sins, who healed all your sicknesses, who ransomed your life from death, who crowned you with mercy, who satisfies your longing for good things. Your youth will be renewed like the eagles. When she becomes young again, she will rise."
This is Egg Boy, ladies and gentlemen, the man, the myth, the legend, a 17-year-old kid from New Zealand who's being hailed as a hero online for what he did to an Australian senator following his comments in the wake of the Christchurch mosque shootings. So in today's video, we're going to break down for you this viral moment that is bringing this kid to internet stardom. Now, just before we do, I want to ask you to please head on over to pressfortruth.ca/donate, where if you appreciate my work, you can contribute a one-time donation via PayPal or Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. You can join as a patron, or you can join as a Patreon alternative member, where you can contribute on a monthly amount. Or the best way to support this show is to just simply click the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family. Now back to Egg Boy. He's going viral. It was